found a sandy beach in this palette. And this is why I don't have a ton of subscribers, because I go and I put green lashes on a green blue look. It just Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is not our first time with this collection, okay? So you've already seen my first video with the Juvia's Place new collection, the Wahala collection, the Wahala 2 collection, okay? I told you guys in the beginning of that video that I had a shape in mind that I wanted to try. I told you guys that I wasn't very good at that shape, but I still wanted to try it anyway, okay? I told you guys in that video I was gonna do a neutral look, which ended up being a glitter look, and now the glitter is stuck on my face and I can't get it off. Like, it's stuck, you know? I'm gonna do a second look using the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 collection. This is one of the new products that Juvia's Place just released, and we did the first video and see how I can, you know, dig into this palette and figure something out, okay? Yeah, let's go, let's jump into this and see what we can do. I am gonna go in with, these two shades are pretty. This is Jealous and this is Lust. I feel like because of the shade I want to deepen with, I'm taking the shade Lust. This whole palette is just big old trouble. So I'm taking Lust and a fluffy blending brush. I'm placing Lust in my crease and I'm gonna blend up. This is gonna be my transition shade. So I'm blending it out as essentially as well as I can without ruining my base. That's why I'm not stamping it in. I'm more like tap and flick type of motion going on. Nod your head if you know what I mean. I feel like you can't see how very pretty this shade is. It is a beautiful green shade. I want to do a crazy blend, like blending out this green with the pink. The colors that run through my head, man. I'm just blowing out the edges of the green with the same brush because I'm not gonna go in with any other shade to blend the edges of this out, only the green. So I'm just gonna blow it out. I'm just blending the edges of this out. This is the shade Lust. Okay, I'm gonna go into the shade Dream, and I'm gonna place Dream in my crease. I'm also blending the edges ever so slightly. Going back into the shade Lust, and I'm gonna take Lust to blend out the edges of Dream. Okay, I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to apply Dream to deepen Lust, and I'm going to blend the edges of this some more. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I am taking our shade Dream, and I'm gonna put Dream on the outer parts of this cut crease. Just blending it into the cut crease that we just did, okay? Okay, next I'm taking the shade, do you want to take Fury? No, I'm taking the shade Jealous because I really loved what Jealous looked like. It's like an aquamarine shade, and I really just absolutely love what it looks like. The shade Jealous is so beautiful on the white base. I'm so tempted to just put that all over my eyelids, but I found a sandy beach in this palette, So that's what I'm going with, like the sand, the water, and deeper into the water, like sandy beach. I love matte shades because with matte shades you can blend to your heart's content, okay? Like I'm taking the shade Lit in the palette. The mattes are so buttery soft. In my first video, we didn't get to mix a lot of the mattes out, so I'm trying to show you guys how gorgeously these mattes blend. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is blend Lit into Jealous, just so I can get rid of that line that was there before. And just blending it right now, you can see how it just made that line go away a little bit. And I'm using the same brush, okay? I'm not even changing brushes for this. Now I'm taking Jealous again, and I'm going to, of course, replenish Jealous, but I'm also gonna blend Jealous into Lit. Ever so lightly though. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade Dream and I'm gonna blend Dream into Jealous. That way this line over here is not there. So ever so lightly just blend Dream into Jealous. So I went ahead and lined with my base. I'm gonna take the shade Fury. I'm gonna lean forward and do this because I don't want it to get on my skin. Okay, I'm gonna go into the shade Dream and I'm gonna blend the edges of this a little bit more. And this is why I don't have a ton of subscribers, because I go and I put green lashes on a green blue look. It just makes sense, you know? It makes sense, so I'm gonna do it. And then maybe later on I will put some black lashes for the normal people. But seriously though, I really don't see, like, of course a regular lash will look good with this, like a regular black lash will look phenomenal with this look as well. So if you're gonna put colored lashes on, don't put mascara because it's gonna show up in the lashes. It's gonna make it look too different. Okay, I'm taking the shade Hater. This Trouble palettes, man. This Trouble palette is like out for blood, okay? I'm gonna put Hater on the bottom part of my inner corner. Ooh. This green shade is so beautiful. Do you see it? It is so pretty. Okay, I know. I'm gonna go ahead and buff all the powder off my face. I'm gonna set my face, and I feel like I'm going to do like a lip balm type situation today. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Petty Betty in the middle.
What are you telling me?
I'm not telling you, shush. I have been loving adding black liner to my brown. I feel like it defines my lips a lot more than just the brown. Ooh, child. The gloss Petty Betty that can be used by itself It has a little bit of pigment in it, but it's not too pigmented to where it's just gonna be too pink for you. And it's so juicy. This is gorgeous. This is like festival makeup level. Like, I can't stop. I can't stop looking at myself. I went to a tropical island, and on a high noon, I went through the forest to get to the beach. That's the color story I'm getting with my eyes. I'm getting sea vibes. The green is giving me forest vibes, and you know, the palette. This is my second finished look using the Wahala 2 palette. I did a first video, and if you haven't yet seen that, definitely check that out. I will link it down below so you can see it. For me personally, I have been loving matte looks, so I feel like this is it for me. I really love the first look. This is it. Like, blending the mattes together has proven to me that all the mattes are gorgeously beautiful and can blend together. Like, I just love how buttery soft the matte shades are. They move so easily under the brush, and they also blend in very, very easily. The silver shimmer shades, whenever I was using it, it looks like you need a more tacky or a more damp base to hold on to that. But this green shade that I have in my inner corner, or my lower inner corner, you just saw how much it got stuck onto my lower lid without me doing anything extra. The shimmer shades are buttery soft. The mattes are soft. The glitter shades are out of the world. This collection is gorgeous, okay? The lip gloss, Petty Betty. I didn't think that Petty Betty was going to be this sheer, for lack of a better word. I thought it was more pigmented, so I was actually going to go in with a lip balm, but I'm happy that I actually tried Petty Betty to see what it would look like on my lips by itself, and I did not use Shakara underneath. In my first video, I used Shakara and then I used Petty Betty. Okay, so this is it for my look with the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 collection. If you haven't yet picked up this collection, definitely check out juviasplace.com and also use my code Ohemaa for an added discount. I don't know when they're going to be available at Ulta, but if they do come to Ulta, I will definitely put the link down below so you can check it out. The collection comes with one eyeshadow palette, a lip gloss, and a lipstick, and it comes in a beautiful collection case like that. This is my second video using the palette, so definitely go ahead and check out my first video of me using the collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.